So this video is to show how to remove a taillight for an E92 BMW. So first you start by taking this panel off. Behind here you'll see 3 8mm, 1, 2, and 3 in the back. So you just loose them off. Back. In this case I already had the light bulb loose, but you don't actually have to take that off. So you just loosen off the 3 nuts. And 2, and then a third one. And then you can go from the outside and then just pull it out. This thing here is actually just going to go to the garbage just because it is cracked. But that is how you remove a taillight for an E92 BMW. And if you like this video, I have a few others, so like and subscribe. Thanks.